Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription and avoid future charges, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your LinkedIn account at linkedin.com using your credentials. Step 2. Click on Me icon at the top right of your homepage, then select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Preferences section and click on Subscriptions. Step 4. Under your active LinkedIn Premium subscription, click on Manage Subscription. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Subscription option and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. LinkedIn may ask you why you're canceling. Select a reason from the options provided or skip if optional. Step 7. Review the information about what premium features you'll lose when you cancel. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation by clicking Continue to Cancel or Cancel Subscription. Step 9. Your premium subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which it will automatically end. Check your email for cancellation confirmation and verify that auto-renewal has been disabled in your subscription settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.